Good morning, guys. Another lovely day. I'm headed out. I didn't get much sleep because I was working on YouTube last night, and I broke down a washer with parts I'm about to list on eBay, and a whole lot of other things. So, edited the video last night and started back on it again this morning. It's like 10 o'clock. We're heading to my first stop. We're about to go put a microwave door on. So we just completed that job. It is 11:13 a.m. It was real simple. It was only a microwave door we had to replace, because that particular one, once you take the line out to replace the door, the line is pretty much not any good. This particular one was a weird situation. This was the only door that I can find, period, in the States anywhere. The microwave is only 15 years old, but I was able to find one, and this is the only one that I was able to find. So we got it replaced, and we're on to the next stop. I'm headed to a stop that has a Samsung, it's like the DV5200 series dryer. So I am going to see what's going on with it. He has an issue with it not shutting off. So this was actually fused to here, so it was causing the ground. That's why it was still running. So that's one of the problems we have. So I got that one completed. I think I told you guys earlier I was working with a warranty company, and this one was kind of weird. I had the customer call and say that the warranty company, which we won't name, had them to give me a call and wanted me to come out and do a diagnosis, a second diagnosis. I really wasn't getting any type of error. So I went back into it. The element was broken. I went ahead and replaced the element. I ran to the parts store. I didn't actually get any footage of that, but I ran to the parts store, local parts store, and I replaced the element. I am headed to my next stop, which is a dishwasher. They are saying that it's not drying like it should, and he also stated that it's not putting out any steam like it normally does. So more than likely, it's probably going to be the vent on it, which we're going to check it out. It's just probably not opening and closing like it should. But we're going to get it over there and get it tested out, and I'll try to get you guys some footage. This is what's bad. This is the dryer, dishwasher vent. We tested here to make sure that we were getting 122, well, not 122, but 120 volts. But you know, it fluctuates, of course, but that's what we got going on. It's easy fix. Just gotta see if we got the part, and we'll be in and out. All right, so we are at our next stop, and this customer's hearing something in the attic. It's a bunch of openings on the outside, which I'm not gonna show, but I'm gonna go up this ladder. This is what we consider an inaccessible attic. Maybe someone can get in here, but not me. I can't fit through here. I'm sure somebody can, because they got ductwork up here, but this is what I would consider that. On the inside of this home, they don't have any opening where you can go up. So it's not a whole lot we can do here with this situation as far as the attic. There's a couple things we can do, but not a whole lot. All right, guys, so I just got to the parts store and I picked up the vents. And we're gonna go back over later on and we're gonna install it and get the customer back up and going. Get it out of here. This is the vent. This is what we're having problems out of. Alright, so I'm leaving the car wash and I am going to go back shortly and put that one part on that dishwasher for the customer. I had, in between all this, I had three more Pest calls. Now I'm going to run by the house for a second, grab my backpack again with all my tools in it. Alright, we just got that part replaced. This was the issue. This wasn't opening up, so we're stopping the dishes from drying, but now they're all set. Got everything taken care of. I'm headed in. Got to go home and send off a few invoices. I also have to start editing another video, and I'm about to release another video now, which will be of course it'll be old by the time you guys see it. But that's pretty much it for today. I want to give a shout out to all my new subscribers. And thank you guys for the continued support of a day in the life of Corey.